Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with a new crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to do some stamping and foiling. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute Cuddlebutt Platypus by Unity Stamp. And what I do here is to use some Deco Foil transfer gel along with some stamps to create the stamp and foil. Here I'm using the stamp from Better with Friends from the Yolande's stamp kit. And first I want to do some regular stamping with some Memento dye ink here, and just dab your ink onto your stamp and stamp along. I'm doing a double stamping here to create a lighter shadow for the stamp, to create two kinds of shades for my stamp so that you don't need two colors of inks, all you need is just one. Next, I'm grabbing this stamp set from Another Name for Love by Gina K Designs, and here I am adding the Deco Foil transfer gel to my acrylic block, and then just instead of stamping with some ink, I'm going to be stamping with this transfer gel. As you can see, the transfer gel is now white in color, and when it's dry, it will turn translucent. So I figured it's easier to actually use my fingers to apply the gel directly onto my stamp and then stamp without rocking the stamp, and just leave it on for a few extra seconds to get a clear image. Remember to wash your stamps immediately after you've finished stamping so that it will not dry up and ruin your stamps. For the foiling, I'm using the Heidi Swapp Mink Machine, and here is how the card looks like once it's all dried. As you can see, it's translucent. You want to place your foil pretty side up and then just run it through your foiling machine and wait for the magic to happen. Now it's time for the fun part. It's time to peel and reveal. Just check out how cool the rainbow foiling is onto your stamps. So imagine all your possibilities with all kinds of stamps that you have. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!